Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started. Question number 1. Do you like perfumes? Yes, I enjoy perfume because it makes me feel good and can set a mood. They also boost my confidence and give me a boost of energy. Question number 2. What kind of perfumes do you like? Citrus, jasmine, and musk are some of my favorite fresh, light, and clean scents. They appeal to me because they are not overpowering and leave me feeling refreshed. Question number 3. What does perfume mean to you? Perfume is a way for me to express my unique style and personality. It can be used to make a statement without saying anything. Question number 4. Do you usually wear perfume? Why? Why not? Yes, I frequently wear perfume. I like to wear it to express my style and to boost my confidence. I also like to wear it to attract attention and make a good impression. Question number 5. How do you choose the right perfume for you? When selecting the right perfume for me, I consider my body chemistry, the type of scent I prefer, and the strength of the scent. I also like to try different fragrances to see which one works best for me. Question number 6. Would you ever buy an expensive bottle of perfume? Yes, I would buy an expensive bottle of perfume if I really liked the scent and knew I'd use it frequently. I don't believe that spending a lot of money on perfume is necessary, but if I really liked it, I would consider it. Question number 7. Are there any kinds of perfume you do not like? Yes, I dislike overly sweet and floral odors. I also dislike perfumes that are overpowering and strong. Question number 8. Do you give perfume as a present? Yes, I frequently give perfume as a gift. It's a great way to show someone you care about them, and it can also be a meaningful gift, in my opinion. Question number 9. Have you received perfume as a gift? Yes, I was given perfume as a gift. A family member gave it to me as a birthday present. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.